Hello everyone, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill, your drunken Santa. I am Bill, your drunken sailor. This is the place where we make cocktails that are easy, hopefully delicious, and fun to drink. Well, it's the holiday season and everybody has holiday parties, and when people come to my home bar here at the Drunken Sailor, we've got a lot that we can make. One of the more popular cocktails that we make around here is a margarita. Well, margaritas are great summertime cocktails, but we need to holiday this one up. So today we are making a cocktail that is called the Mistletoe Margarita. So let's get pouring. We're going to start by preparing our garnish. And I've got a little bit of holiday cheer here. We've got some cranberries and we've got some rosemary sprig, and I've actually got a cocktail pick. I hope I can do this correctly the first time because I don't have my glasses on. But if you just take that cocktail pick and poke a hole through that cranberry, get that out of there, and then just take your sprig of rosemary and push it through. And there we have our garnish. So let's put that aside. Our next step is to actually get our glass ready. So we're going to rim it, and it's going to be very festive. I've got my margarita glass, and I'm going to take a little wedge of lime, and I'm going to rim it with lime juice, just like you do with any other margarita. And instead of salt, we're using green holiday sanding sugar. Roll it around, get your rim done, and now we have a very festive looking glass. Let's put that aside for now. Now for the good stuff, our shaker. Once again, holiday season, we're using the good stuff. Our first ingredient in there is freshly squeezed lime juice. We are going to use 3/4 of an ounce. Our next ingredient in there is simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water, and for that, we're only going to use 1/2 of an ounce. Next ingredient in there is what gives it that festive look. We're using cranberry juice. We're going to use 2 ounces. That's all the good stuff in there. Now for the great stuff. Next ingredient in there, 3/4 of an ounce of an orange liqueur. Today we're using the Cointreau. We're hitting the home stretch. Now the last and final ingredient going in there. Can't be a margarita without tequila. Today we're using Arette. It's a great tequila. It's got a good flavor. It's really pretty inexpensive, and it's additive free. So it's the agave you're tasting in there. 1.5 ounces. I'm ready to mix this bad boy up. Got some ice in there, and let's shake it like we want it. We've got that nice pink color to it. It's time to get out that beautiful glass, and let's pour it. Final ingredient is our garnish. Once again, we've got that rosemary with cranberry. You lay that on top, and there's today's cocktail, the Mistletoe Margarita. Let's give it a taste. I like cranberry margaritas. This has got a great twist to it. It's a little bit tart. It's a little bit sweet. You've got a sugar rim on there, so that you get a little bit more sweetness in there. The fragrance on it is amazing. Merry Christmas, everyone. We'll see you at the next cocktail.